Hi everyone, we have some really great action happening on gold right now. Hope many of you have been capitalizing off of it. Some really nice supply and demand zones taking place. Really getting to see this sort of buyers to sellers in action right here. And here are two trades that I took, one yesterday and one today on gold. Just literally being a long into a short. Absolutely beautiful supply and demand, and just kind of thought that I was gonna go through them real quick like I've been doing a little bit recently, and also sort of to go over some of the material that I mentioned. I think it wasn't the last video, it was the one before that, the one about gold, where I drew some diagrams. We're just gonna quickly go over those. And yeah, before we go straight into that, I'm gonna have the results here posted as always. I can check them out in the corner. But yeah, I'm gonna get straight into it. So yeah. Alright, so this is some stuff from the video I posted last month on order block theory. So exactly what we're looking for when we're trading. Supply and demand as a refresh. We're looking for imbalance followed by a strong push. And then entering here on the retracement back into the zone where we come back down to collect all the orders that are sitting here that created this initial strong move, and then joining that and trading alongside it. So that is the main goal of all of this. So now we're going to take a look at gold. Alright, so if we go out here back on gold, there's only one real point of interest where we had that sort of imbalance followed by a very strong push, and that is here in this 1820 to sort of 1817 area. You see we have a very nice candle right here followed by a very strong push bullish, taking gold from right around 1819 all the way up to just above 1840. So a very powerful zone to look out for, and at the beginning of the week this is all that I really had marked up. I was just waiting for price to come down into here and then seeing what it did. If we got a nice rejection past the middle point, enter along at that point like I've done in previous videos, and you're gonna see soon that it was a very quick drop. So this is the 30-minute graph, so it's gonna take a while, but yeah, there we go, immediate. And I was actually lucky because I had it open here, 5-minute graph on my other computer. I don't know why it's showing as a gap. Okay, it didn't gap in real time, but that's how it's showing here. So yeah, just past this middle point here we came down, and then we saw price being rejected and coming starting to come up to the upside. So I entered along somewhere around here. It was 18, 19 something, it was somewhere here. This candle is supposed to have gone down even lower, I think, but it doesn't build for some reason. Yeah, stop loss below the zone as always, and going back up here to 30-minute. So this has actually created a new zone right here. Like we have a very powerful drop here. So this is our next zone of interest. We draw it up right here, just like that, covering those wicks. And target then would obviously be that next point, seeing if price could reach that. I think I set it to 38 or something like that. So that was the initial target. Now just let the price do its thing really. I think it did take some while, and it actually came back down at one point before it came up again. Just gonna see. Yeah, okay, there we go. We're spiked into the top right there. Yeah, everything just happened so quickly this week, but it was some really nice opportunities if you were now actually paying attention. So if we went down here on the 5-minute again, as we see here, we came up above the zone. Actually, never closed above it completely. Like we were kind of still in it. It depends on how you see these wicks, but after we came up here, pushed through, saw this candle, and then I started pushing down. It was somewhere in the middle. I entered a short as well because yeah, just like the previous case, although this zone was a lot older, this was still a very powerful one, and almost you can almost say a bit more fresh in that sense, because we did have the powerful push that we were looking for and that imbalance, so full satisfy the criteria just like the other. So yeah, entered a short somewhere here. Don't remember where exactly, but I had my stop just at the top of these wicks. I wasn't expecting price to come back up here again since it had already been there, but I still had quite a conservative loss, stop loss. It wasn't this high, but I'll just leave it there just so you can see it. It was a little bit tighter. It wasn't at the very top of the wicks, but target was something like 1821, one of this zone again. So yeah, just really trading zone to zone. Super easy stuff when the market works that nicely in your favor, and it's just simple price action. So yeah, those are the two trades really. And yeah, if we go back to this, followed that really well. Only traded second touches, so we did get those powerful reactions. just like we're always looking for. And yeah, that's just supply and demand really. And it's the middle of the week. There's still time to get some nice trades done this week. So I wish all of you the best of luck with that. And until next time.